Hi everyone, welcome to Amirpet Technologies. In this video, I am going to explain about a very important coding example. They are asking like this. There is a method. The method name is a contains duplicate. Contain duplicates. They just pass one array. They will input array that we need to collect. And here all we need to do one thing. If the array contains duplicates, it will return the true value. If the array not containing the duplicates, it has to return the false value. First of all, let me explain how to write the code. Suppose I am taking one array. Any number of elements you can take. I'll show you. Here it is, I am taking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First of all unique elements I am taking. In the first iteration, I am comparing the first element with the second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. In the second iteration, I am comparing with the second element with the third element, fourth element, and fifth element. In the third iteration, I am comparing with the fourth element and fifth element. Next, I am comparing with this element. Enough. So we need to take two loops. Here it is a for integer I equals to 0, I less than or equals to numbers dot length minus 2 I plus plus. Why numbers dot length minus 2? This is length. Length is of 5. 5 minus 1 4. 4 minus 1 3. Nothing but length minus 2 means what? Up to 3 outer loop will repeat. That is the last iteration, understand. Next one, go with the inner loop. Integer j equals to I plus 1, j less than or equal to numbers dot length minus 1 j plus plus. Why the reason? Because we need to repeat up to the last iteration also. What we need to check? Just compare if numbers of ith location element comparing with the 1 2 3 4, because I value 0 first. It is starting from 1 1 2 3 4 like this. If both are equal, numbers of I is equals to numbers of j, yes, duplicate is there, directly return true value. Return true value, and this will continue. Once you are returning the true value, just it will be terminated. Else after the for loops, just return false. Return false, because if for loop is executed n number of times and if you are not getting the unique value, still finally it is returning the false value. This is the simple way of writing the code. Now let me show you how the code gets executed. Okay. Now I'm writing a program. I'm taking the code, just program. Right here I'm taking another class. Check. Here it is a public. Array contain a static method or instance method is not at all required. Just returning boolean contain duplicates is taking array that we are collecting into numbers. Now first point is what you need to call check dot contain duplicates and pass one array to this one. Let me declare one array. Let me show you different arrays. 2 3 4 5 6. First unique elements we are passing. You know how to pass array. This is the way. This array will come and store into this numbers. Now here the code what we have discussed that we are writing for int I equals to 0, I less than or equal to array dot length minus 2 I plus plus. And inside that for int j equals to I plus 1, j less than or equals to array dot length minus 1 j plus plus. Inside if arr, here it is what we are using, not arr, because here what is the local variable in parenthesis we mentioned is a numbers dot length, numbers dot length. Here it is a numbers of I is equals to numbers of j. As they have duplicated, just return the true value. If not, outer the for loop, just return the false value. That's all. The value what it is returning that you need to return, that we are collecting into boolean variable result and just we are printing system dot out dot println that result we are printing. Now let me execute this code. Look at the output. Output is a false because duplicates are not there. Suppose in the middle I added one duplicated 2. Now I'm executing the code. It is giving the true. Suppose here it is a 4. At the end I am adding another duplicate 3. Now you are getting output is a true. I'm just removing 3. I'm adding 8. Now you are getting the output is a false. This is simply checking how array contains duplicates or not without using any predefined function. A very important question they are expecting in most of the coding platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, CodeChef, everywhere. So please practice everyone.